My name is Sunny. Okay.
Welcome back to my channel, Research Master. Say subscribe, please. Just say.
I don't want to.
Subscribe, like, and ring the bell thing that
Also,
dings. And check
the notification.
Isha. Yeah, check the notification.
I will say my channel.
And subscribe to Isha dance tutorials.
Subscribe to Isha's dancing tutorials.
And ring the bell to never miss any of
So we got
Sunny's videos.
we got
the one
Puppy.
of Sunny's.
We got Puppy named Sunny. So we're gonna be doing a little role playing.
Role play.
Yeah, role playing. I'm gonna be acting Sunny's voice, and Rishik is gonna be us.
No, I'm gonna be his owner, the full owner.
Yeah, we're gonna act like Sunny has a voice, and you can't stop chewing on this side. So.
He loves chewing.
Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Okay. Let's get into video.
Okay. Hi. Oh, wait. Start out there. Okay, 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go. It's a beautiful day.
Wait, Rishik,
Can you just shut up?
shake.
Shut up. I'm not shaking a filthy hand like yours. You've been on the streets or whatnot. I don't care.
I got a treat for you. You want it?
What treat?
Good boy.
That is not a treat. Ew. He shaked my hand.
And I slapped you.
He shaked my hand.
I
He
slapped
shaked my
you.
hand. Oh no. What am I gonna do? He's so poor. He's so poor. I'm rich.
What did you say, kid?
I said you're poor. You got a problem with that? Move it! I said move it! I said move it! I poke you in the eye!
Wait, let me see. Let me see this.
Poke. Oh, I want to sing a song by Ariana Grande.
Wait.
What?
Yo, you got trash talk, bro.
I think I trash talk you. I got a trash talk with smack talk and the pie
I
mouth.
literally slapped him.
Mm.
I'm gonna slap him softly.
Thank you. That felt good. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm going to sing a song. Hand me my microphone.
Don't forget to buy Kong toys. It's really awesome.
Yeah.
Hollywood.
Oh, yeah. Hollywood feed. Yeah.
Hollywood thing.
Up in there all night, Ariana. Up in there all day. Yeah. 'Cause boy, got me rocking side to side. Gotta do the moonwalk. I've been there all night. Yeah. I've been there all day. Moonwalk. 'Cause boy, got me rocking side to side.
Okay, go to the microphone.
Okay, that is all. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed that video.
We're gonna do another one today or tomorrow.
Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Wait, hold on. This way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sunny. Wait, no, I'm good.
Bye.